Welcome to Easy Crypto Hunter. We're the UK's #1 premier cryptocurrency mining hardware provider, and simply what we do in a nutshell is get business owners an amazing passive return through cryptocurrency mining. Now, you might have heard and you may have come across Bitcoin, you might have loosely heard of blockchain. You probably don't have too much of a clue, much more than that, but do not fear. We're the UK's largest organisation, and I've called the business Easy Crypto for a reason. If you're looking to form some really healthy passive income just by watching this video, this is exactly where you need to be right now. We offer a solution where you can buy some equipment, a posh computer, plug it in, turn it on, and it pays you every day. So if you want to find out how our machines earn over £7,000 in revenue, with last year's return standing at 72% ROI, with our full tech support advising you every step of the way, it couldn't be any easier to get started. Fundamentally, it all comes down to maximizing ROI, and that's what we do here at Easy Crypto Hunter. We simply provide the best equipment, the best education, and the best customer service to make sure that you're never left out in the cold and you're able to get a piece of equipment with ongoing advice to ensure that you know exactly how to use it in the best possible way. We have an open office policy right here in Manchester, so if you have a look around our website, take a little look and would like some more information, please give us a call, book an appointment to come and see us, come and meet the team and get a one-on-one to fill any questions that you may have about this space. We love educating people and helping them to understand that there really is a great amount of money on offer in this space. The figures speak for themselves, our clients speak for themselves, and really this video is all about getting you interested to learn a little bit more about how we may be able to help you in that particular instance. I've been Josh from Easy Crypto Hunter, and I look forward to seeing you soon.